One time when I felt the most impressed was when we had to make a last-minute change for our board, and we could quickly make that change in the system and reproduce the reports within seconds of us going into the board meeting. And that is something we couldn't do before. My name is Michelle Naus, and I'm the CFO of Tri-County Mental Health Services in Kansas City, Missouri. Prior to switching to Sage Intacct, Tri-County Mental Health had a server-based system that was on-premise. The system really didn't provide us with any of the new capabilities, whether that was to be able to access our system remotely or to provide workflows internally in the system. So when we were looking to change our solution, we looked not only at Sage Intacct, but we also looked at NetSuite. And what we ultimately decided when we selected Sage Intacct was that we liked the flexibility to be able to make the package that we would get the most benefit from. After we selected Sage Intacct, we selected our implementation partner. So we selected BKD Technologies because BKD was a firm that knew not only Tri-County Mental Health, but they knew the industry very well in mental health, and we knew they would take care of us and get everything implemented in a timely fashion. Since we've switched to Sage Intacct, we've made several improvements on multiple processes. The first one is the journal entry process. Now with Sage Intacct, they can scan that information directly into the journal entry, and by one click of the button, it's posted in the system. The other process that we've really seen great improvement is with our board packets. So previously we were spending time making multiple spreadsheets in Excel. If we made one change to a journal entry, that's reprinting reports and entering those into Excel to produce a report. Now it's a click of the button. It's seconds and we have that board packet ready to go. We are under intense scrutiny as far as billing compliance and HIPAA compliance. Being HIPAA compliant was another huge selling point and one of the reasons we selected Sage Intacct. And so for us, knowing that our system is HIPAA compliant was hugely important to myself and to our management team. Dashboards in Sage Intacct have been so helpful because if there is a question that a manager asks you every month, every week, you can program that into their dashboard and they can get that information on the fly. And I think that's the key. It's in a real-time format. That really gave them, I think, more ownership as far as how they can make changes to better affect their services, their department, and their expenses. Even, our CEO was very excited. He'll come to my office and want to just look at stuff, and we drill down into the reports, and he's just amazed at how easy it is. That really told me we had made the right decision.